right, it is 5:41 p.m. on a Monday, the day after the championship. And you know the deal, let's go back on the Uber Eats. Let's go. All right, today's Monday, so we're just gonna take it easy. Just bought myself Avalanche championship t-shirt. It's unofficial. Bought it at the gas station, you know, support the local economy. Spent $200 on that new hook jersey, and it's only a replica, but it's worth every penny, baby. We got him. World champion. All right, let's wait a couple of minutes. Nothing happens, we gotta get on with the Doordash. All right, fam, first order of the day, Wendy's. I think it's like 8 for 3 miles or something. I waited 6 minutes for a Wendy's. That's a miracle, I guess. You know how I do it, you know, gotta pause the other app, and then, you know, let's go deliver some Wendy's, fam. Let's go. All right, fam. We're on Mississippi. All right. Next one, we got Doordash. 1 restaurant, 2 customer, double stack. Roughly 4 miles for $11.50. 4 for $11.50. Let's go. All right. Since we got a double stack with Doordash, we're gonna log out Uber Eats. Rinse and repeat. That's how you multi-app, fam. All right. Just dropping off a double stack.
Turn right onto West 29th Avenue.
We got another double stack. 8 miles for 14. Maybe hidden tips with Doordash. Let's go. All right, fam. Tonight I didn't work much. Took Holly out for a ride. Holly, my dog. So keep you guys posted and when I get back to the car. But yeah, tonight was pretty slow. You know, me and Holly went out to get some good times, some paw bender. Yeah, we didn't work much. I was only on the clock for like 5 hours. How, you want to say anything to our YouTube fans? No, you been tired? I think she's tired. Wow. Keep you guys posted on earnings in a minute, huh? All right. Tonight we made 65 in 3 hours 8 minutes. And with Doordash we made around $45. Can't tell you the exact amount, and we worked around 1 hour 40 minutes on the clock. All right, so we made 110 in 4 hours 40 minutes. 65 with Uber Eats, and roughly 45 with Doordash. All right, so 110 divided by 4 hours 40 minutes, so roughly 2360 per hour tonight combined. So not too shabby, you know, but tonight I was just taking it easy, you know. I just used the downtime to reply to comments on my YouTube videos, TikTok videos, and Facebook reels. So, and you know, took Holly out for a ride. So yeah, tonight we didn't reach 200, but I only worked 4 hours 40 minutes. So I think we're gonna wrap it up for tonight and go home and edit this video, fam. Yeah, I usually take it pretty easy on weekdays, Monday to Wednesday, and then I put in more hours on the weekends, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and stuff. Thank you for everybody for watching this Doordash and Uber Eats ride along, fam. Have a nice day. Peace.